Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. In this episode it's all about transmission gear change cable confusion and also engine harnesses, wires, sensors, some coolant hoses and fuel hoses. I hope you enjoy.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be great.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring to feel.
I have fitted the cables wrong. Once again, I misunderstood the service notes. When you move your stick to the left and right, then the left side cable is moving forward. So this was here, and I thought when this moves forward, actually it's backward. Then oh man, that's why English and Finnish words are so confusing. They are not so confusing, but my brains are not processing those words correctly, because forward is, of course it's forward, but I translate that word outward. So this cable goes outward. Now they are correct. Reverse switch, and then this one, this is the speed sensor.
They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make it.
There is coolant and intercooler or charge cooler coolant, rear crossmember installation. As you may see, it's a little bit off, so you need to lift the chassis slightly.
Chance to be ruthless.
Connecting the luggage compartment, there is one 2-pin connector, one 4-pin connector, one 5-pin connector, two bigger ones. Also, I made a water pump connector for my charge cooler water pump. It's electric water pump. Also a ground connector for it.
Any place that I go, I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Thanks for watching. In the next episode it's time to start the engine, and it's really nerve-wracking. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
You can do everything.